XHLD stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. 10 holdings. Actually pretty juicy performance. 171%. It's not a small deed. This is still how my chart's going to look like. My bad. When a market is going up like this, all I really am looking forward to do is just double down on this moving beauty. I mean, similar way, in a similar way of approach. I think it was a... Nope. I guess HUT, like I don't quite remember now, but yeah, I mean, I'm gonna stick to my chart, my strategy that I've refined over 37,000 videos, and after investing 5 figures in Core Cementers over 5 years. So once I start seeing those little retracements and then shift, then and only then finally would I continue to take things up. But other than that, me buying randomly just makes no goddamn sense. Matter of fact, all I'll keep doing in the meantime is just keep waiting up until my rules are met, and if they're not, it's all good, you know. Forcing just makes... it's no good. From personal experience, I'm saying I've had 5 years of experience. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.